Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with swift, decisive checks so you don't waste time. First, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi is enabled and airplane mode is off. This fixes many issues instantly. Next, restart the router and modem and wait about 60 to 90 seconds. Power cycling clears common faults. Finally, verify the network on a second device so you know whether the problem is the laptop versus the network. Once confirmed, you'll move to targeted laptop fixes. Now dig into the laptop itself. Forget the SSID and rejoin to reset saved credentials and profiles, because corrupted profiles often block connections. If that doesn't work, update or reinstall the wireless adapter driver through Device Manager or the manufacturer app. Drivers are the link between hardware and OS. Also run the system network troubleshooter and inspect IP and DNS settings. Manual DNS like 8 can bypass provider DNS issues, so try it if the browser still won't load pages. Finish with advanced diagnostics to isolate stubborn faults. Verify the router band. Some older adapters only support 4 GHz, so switch bands if needed. Temporarily disable VPNs, third-party firewalls, or security suites because they can block DHCP and DNS. If problems persist, reset the network stack with commands like ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and netwinsock reset, then reboot. One key troubleshooting tip: try a USB Wi-Fi adapter. If that works, the internal radio
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.